Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and welcome to a 118 scale video. This one looks odd right now, and there's a reason for that. This is from my collection. As you can see, it's been dusty. I didn't clean it before I started the video even. This is a 1923 Ford T-Bucket, and it's a hot rod. It's not the best quality hot rod. It's like pretty low quality, but it's okay when I got it. If I would have had to decide now if I would have get it, I would be skeptical, and I wouldn't pay that price. That's a Swedish price, so it's around 50 euros. This is a old one. This is like a 2009 release of this, and the reason why it's packed like that is because it didn't have a platform, and it was like connected to this cardboard base, and I no longer have those things that connect it with, and I figured out that this is my best option, so I wrapped it up in bubble wrap and put it in its box. And that would be the story of that. So now I can take it out after an extremely long time. It's been in this way inside. And I can show it to you what this thing is. It's not a bad quality model. It's just it's not also the craziest of them all. So here is our T-Bucket. Mostly it's looking very rad, I can tell you that. The engine details are pretty nice. Not the best ones out there, but they're pretty nice. Something comes with opening parts. The only thing it does not come is with steering wheels. As you can see, they're fixed, so it's only gonna go straight. Maybe some other company which would be like a much more higher detail company. Maybe they could have pulled off the steering. I have also this like reverse style old-fashioned steering wheel. You have one big seat in there only. The engine, everything here is plastic. Completely everything is plastic. Even the base is plastic. The only non-plastic is the body here. The fenders are plastic also. The top is plastic, so it's mostly plastic, so it's pretty light for what it is. Has these massive, chunky tires. But overall, it's not the worst out there. I've seen some worser stuff. Like I said, it is a bit dusty here and there. This front does fold down, like so you can have it like this. I don't think the top is fixed, so it does not come off, so you can have it that. This thing comes with an openable trunk. It's very like rubberized, so it doesn't stay open on its own. It's only this gonna help, but you can push it down, it will somewhat stay closed. Then the doors, I believe, were reversed. Wait, maybe does the top come off? Maybe I was wrong. Maybe it does. No, it's not, because it's screwed down. You can see the screws in there, just a bit loose here and there. So the doors should open in reverse. There should be like suicide doors. Oh, come on, they're very, very stiff. And they don't even open all that much. Yeah, they're like extremely difficult to open. Yeah, and like I said, they don't even open all that much, so there would be no way you would be getting out or in. Keep opening the back. So you can see, the door is open, but very, very slightly. So your best option would be just jump out of it from this side. Let's fold this back up. So yeah, nothing much to this model. I don't even remember where I got it and how I... No, actually I do. I got it from a gas station in What was the town called? I know it's next to in Sweden, not like right next to Charlottenburg or Charlottenburg. No, it's Charlottenburg. I think that's what it's called. Well, but since it goes straight, it does roll super good. I actually forgot to say this is a Road Champions model. Forgot to say that in the start. So there you go. If this thing would pop wheelies, this thing would go super high. Look, let's just stay up like that. You might. This would be a perfect candidate for like lowrider. So it jumps, and just stops like this. Winner instantly. I can do that. The cool thing is that it has like race brakes in there. You can see them here on the sides. So yeah, like I said, nothing too crazy, nothing too much on this, but I think it's pretty cool just for what it is, and that would be that. Nothing else or much I can say about it. So tell me your thoughts and leave a like, subscribe, the usual, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.